So this is the Plaza Hotel here in downtown Las Vegas. So we have the Pink Box Donuts, and then we have the Carousel Bar. That's a brand new bar that they built here at the Plaza Hotel. All right. All right. Fresh hot popcorn. Looks like nobody's selling. Hmm. Oh, let's go through the automatic doors. Right. And it looks like, so this is hash hash a go go right here. And then that is the way to the casino. So, and I think this is the hotel lobby. Registration, coffee bar, yeah, restrooms. So where do you, so let's go that way, or let's go this way. Let's go this way. Yep, so this is the hotel registration area. Oh, okay. So these are the, I think these are the tower elevators for the hotels. Yep, that's the elevators. So let's go right here. So the hotels are on the right, and to the left, this is the casino area. Casino area. Casino area. So here at the Plaza Hotel, it doesn't smell a lot of smoke, so which is a good thing. So if you're visiting Plaza Hotel, the one that I noticed is even though the ceiling is low, that it looks like they have installed powerful ventilation because it's also cold in here inside the casino area. So, wow. That's the thing with downtown hotels and casinos here in Las Vegas is they have a lot of slots. This is a lot of slots. uh, and looks like this is the South Tower elevators for guests who are staying on this part of the hotel. And then there is the pizza. Okay, so it looks like this is going back. Parking garage elevators. Oh yeah, this is going back to the hotel registration desk. We have a bar here. Bar. And it looks like this is their sports book. And this is the sports book, a small sports book. And then this is the cashier's cage. And still the casino part. And then this might be a theater. This looks like a cute entrance for a theater. Huh, very cute. So then we have a bar here. Bar. So so this is a small hotel and casino, and that's it basically. It is all slot machines. They have a small sports book. Oh, they also have smoke-free slots, hotel registration, food court, gift shop, and yeah, that's what Plaza Hotel is. And they have the carousel bar wherein guests could enjoy, most especially the good weather here in Las Vegas. Oh, okay. Thank you, Las Vegas. So that's it. Okay. Enjoyed watching this video? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and watch this video next. Thank you for watching.